Welcome back, gamers. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup in 2025, you're probably wondering which GPU is right for you, Nvidia or AMD? And how about DLSS versus FSR? Today, we're diving deep into these two gaming titans and the latest technologies to help you choose the best GPU for your gaming experience. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. In the world of PC gaming, the GPU is king. Nvidia and AMD are the two main contenders in the battle for graphics supremacy. Let's start with Nvidia, known for its powerhouse RTX series. From the RTX 4060 to the RTX 4090, Nvidia's latest GPUs have been at the forefront of gaming performance, offering exceptional frame rates, ray tracing, and cutting-edge technologies like DLSS. But don't count AMD out just yet. AMD, with its RX 7000 series, has been making significant strides in recent years. The RX 7900 XTX and RX 7800 XT offer amazing value for gamers, providing strong performance in both 1080p and 4K gaming, often at a more budget-friendly price compared to Nvidia. So in 2025, which GPU reigns supreme? Let's break it down. When it comes to raw performance, Nvidia still holds the crown in many areas. The RTX 4090 is the undisputed leader, with mind-blowing performance across all gaming resolutions. Whether you're gaming in 4K with high settings or pushing your rig to its limits in ray-traced games, the 4090 can handle it all with ease. Plus, DLSS 3.0 takes it a step further by generating extra frames with AI, making even the most demanding games run smoothly. But AMD has a different approach. While its RX 7900 XTX doesn't quite hit the performance peaks of the 4090, it's still a beast at 1440p and 4K, delivering smooth gameplay and high frame rates. AMD also offers a more affordable option at the high end with the RX 7800 XT, which can challenge Nvidia's mid-range cards in performance. In terms of value per frame, AMD is often the winner, offering competitive performance at a more accessible price. Now let's talk about ray tracing, the holy grail of next-gen graphics. Nvidia's RTX series is still the leader in this space, thanks to their RT cores. Ray tracing creates more realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, and Nvidia's cards make it look stunning. But AMD isn't far behind. With the release of the RX 7900 XTX, AMD has made significant improvements in ray tracing performance. While it's still not as smooth as Nvidia's top-end RTX cards, AMD's RDNA 3 architecture has closed the gap considerably, especially in titles like Starfield and The Witcher 3 with ray tracing enabled. When it comes to AI-enhanced features, Nvidia has the edge with DLSS 3.0. DLSS uses deep learning supersampling to upscale lower-resolution images and boost frame rates without compromising on image quality. This technology makes 4K gaming much more accessible, even for lower-end GPUs like the RTX 4060. In comparison, AMD offers FSR, Fidelity Effects Super Resolution, which is their alternative to DLSS. While FSR is a fantastic feature, it doesn't have the AI-powered upscaling that DLSS offers, meaning it's not as precise in enhancing image quality. In short, if ray tracing and AI upscaling matter to you, Nvidia's DLSS 3.0 takes the cake. However, AMD's FSR 3.0 is still an impressive tool for performance, especially if you're on a budget. Now let's talk about value. After all, gaming isn't just about performance, it's also about getting the most bang for your buck. At the budget and mid-range levels, AMD tends to offer better value. For example, the RX 7800 XT provides impressive performance at a lower price point than Nvidia's RTX 4070. Even in the mid-range, AMD's GPUs often deliver strong performance for less money. On the other hand, Nvidia's RTX 4070 and RTX 4060 do offer great features like DLSS 3.0, making them more future-proof for games that will rely on AI upscaling. At the high end, things get more complicated. If you want the absolute best performance and are willing to spend, the RTX 4090 is still the leader, but it comes with a hefty price tag. The RX 7900 XTX offers close performance at a slightly lower price, so it's a great option for enthusiasts who want top-tier performance without the Nvidia premium. Beyond the hardware itself, there's the software ecosystem. Nvidia has always had an edge with their GeForce Experience software. It's packed with features like game-ready drivers, Nvidia highlights, and shadowplay for recording gameplay. Nvidia's driver updates are regular, and the experience is generally very polished. AMD, however, has been catching up with their Radeon software suite. It offers features like Radeon Boost for dynamic resolution scaling during fast-moving gameplay and Radeon Anti-Lag for reducing input delay. While Nvidia's software might still have the edge in terms of polish, AMD's software has come a long way and offers great customization for users. If you're someone who likes tinkering with settings, both platforms give you plenty of options to fine-tune your system. Alright, let's finally settle the debate. DLSS versus FSR. DLSS has the advantage of being powered by AI and running on dedicated hardware built into Nvidia's RTX cards. This makes it incredibly effective in providing higher performance without sacrificing visual quality. If you're gaming at high resolutions like 4K, DLSS 3.0 can boost your frame rate significantly, especially when enabled with ray tracing. Meanwhile, FSR is a more universal solution that works on both AMD and Nvidia cards. FSR's FSR 2.0 and FSR 3.0 are extremely good at boosting performance, but it doesn't use the same AI-driven magic that DLSS does. This means FSR is generally less precise, but it's still a solid option for gamers who want improved performance without the need for Nvidia hardware. So, if you're an Nvidia user and want the best of the best, DLSS is the clear winner. But if you're an AMD fan or just want a more open solution, FSR is a great option. In the end, both Nvidia and AMD have their strengths and weaknesses, but in 2025, the choice really depends on your needs and budget. If you want the best performance, ray tracing, and DLSS, Nvidia is the way to go. But if you're looking for great value and don't mind sacrificing a little on the high-end ray tracing performance, AMD's RX 7900 XTX and FSR provide excellent alternatives. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Consider your gaming preferences, budget, and desired features before making your final decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming content.